You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Turn my car on here real quick. Where, man? The Sddn 18. 118, yeah. Yeah, zooming out. I'm kind of smart, but I'll be with it done. I'm in the car, it ain't about money. That shit be told you ain't nothing funny. You should ask why these bitches love me. I keep it all like water being running, I ain't wasting no time. It ain't about nothing. Pull up the seat. I know I hit. Yeah. I don't put a word, no slacking it all. Paid off for the dumbest thing right. Man, Dolph on.
The brag, but on the shit. Damn.
You pushing that thing, bro? That's brand new. So I'd say it's barely broken right now.
You just got this done, didn't you?
Yeah, I just did all this. I just did all this shit.
I remember you saying something about the Vex and all that.
Yeah. So before I think you got a demo the last time. Was
I didn't get it in Ruckus because I think something was going on or something. I think you were either gonna leave. Or I don't know what it was.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I had the 8s in there. That's probably what it was.
That's what it was.
Yeah, Sundown show. I had those ZV5 12s in there.
I don't think you had them in there yet. They're in there yet.
Not this, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't have these in there?
No, I had two pods with Sky High 6.5.
So these, which ones are these right here?
These are the V4 Neo Pros, and then that's a Vex 8, and then ETR1.
With that Vex, like would those fit in that door on the big one? Have you tried that yet?
This?
Yeah. Like the those 12s right there.
Yeah,
they'll fit.
They'll fit there.
Yeah.
If I wanted to, I could. Yeah.
I know that back's so big on them. Man, I want to get a pair of them. Like,
bro, they're nice.
They nice.
Those, honestly, I just saw Jacob Fuller was talking about these versus those.
Yeah.
He was saying those over these.
The Vex over the new one.
There's nothing wrong with these, man.
Yeah. They're lightweight though, right?
Yeah, they're super light. They're shallow mount, and they'll play 100 hertz to 20,000.
How low will they Vex play?
Those will play. I got those dialed down to about 80 right now, but they'll play down at 60.
Okay, yeah.
But I want to turn them up, so I cut them off a little higher.
Yeah.
But boy, that SDN's smelling pretty good.
Yeah, but hey man, you can do that with that kind of stuff though.
I'm gonna need a recon before the weekend's over. I can tell you that.
I don't know, man.
How you like that?
Yeah, I was like, I seen it on. I said, ain't no way he did that. You did it.
I did, bro. It's live feed too.
Yeah.
Yep.
If you ever go, you'll know.
Yeah, no shit. I've seen the smoke earlier.
Yeah, you see the smoke? Oh yeah, no.
It's still good.
Yeah, it's sparking. It's time to go.
It's close right now. I'd say that's close.
Man.
Because I got a Salt 8 on it. It's wired at 1/2 ohm. And I'm putting every bit of 8,000 watts of that thing.
It can take more probably. I
Not for very long.
Also, that's what's going on. You got overpowering is what's going on.
Oh yeah, I got way too much power on it.
Okay. I was wondering what's going on. I said, no, he ain't clipping back there.
No, it ain't clipping. I got plenty of power to back it up. I'll sit right there at 15.3 all day.
What kind of battery you running on here?
That's a skib from Coventry Car Audio.
Is it like a small bank?
It's probably like this big. It's not very big. It's 43.5. Yeah, it's mine. It didn't blow up yet. It's close. We're watching for smoke. Yeah, I bet. It stinks. I hit it hard on that one. There's no smoke. We've been watching.
Yeah, man. Well, let them know where they can find you at, man, on social media.
Oh, shit. You can look me up on Facebook, Mike Jr., or I'm sorry, MJ Jr., and then TikTok, YouTube, Mike Jr. Official.
I'll be sure to tag them down below.
Yes, sir.
That's good
Appreciate
seeing you,
it,
man.
brother.
Finally caught up with you.
Yes, sir.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.